Hello guys, be welcome to the channel. Today we are in for another inbox review, this time for the 75mm French field gun MIE1897. This kit is produced by IBG Models in 1/35 scale and the item code is 35056. I'm a bit on the fence with this one, so I'm gonna see what the contents are and what the instructions are like, and then we're gonna make a decision on if we build it or not. So having a look, let me just take my support from here. Having a look into the contents, we have the instructions, we have one box with the wheels and the front plate for the machine gun, one set of photo etch on here as well, and another bag with some sprues. First look on the sprues. The sprues seem very tidy and free from flash. So first glance, seems a very high quality model. As you can see, plenty of detail in 1/35 scale for this small piece, and you can see there's no flash at all on this. The injection is very well made and very fine and sharp. Same thing happens on here. As you guys can see, there's no flash present. So very impressed with the first impressions. Sounds fun, that one. Very impressed with the first impressions. It's always good. So this brings a little piece of photo etch, like so. I'm not sure what this is for, but we're gonna find out on the instructions. And then we have the gun wheels. Comes in two parts. Tire threads are molded in the plastic, as you can see. And they do in two parts. Then here we have the front plate and the side plates, so we can just put them back away and analyze the instructions. As per usual, IBG Models gives you an array of variety of paints. We have Vallejo Model Air, as you can see here, Attacker, Life Color, Mr. Robbie, and AK Interactive. Basically there's only two colors, olive green and black. We look to the instructions. You have the frames that come on the box, then you have the various steps to assemble. This seems very well detailed. You have all the steps here to build, and yeah, how many steps do we have on this? We have 16 steps still ready. As you can see, 16 steps still be finished, and that's it. Photo etch is for, let's go see. We will need photo etch on step 8, 9, and there will be like the handles on the side of the machine gun. And then we need more photo etch on step 14, and this will be like the armor plate on the front. So a very basic kit, all paint in olive green all the way through, apart from the tires on the wheels, as per usual. As you guys can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see properly, but yeah, this is the color scheme. There's only one color scheme. There's not much to go wrong, and I'm very much tempted to assemble this one straight away out of the box and bring the assembly video to the channel. But yeah, it's a lovely little kit for a 1/35 scale machine gun. It's a lovely kit. I'm fairly impressed with the details. Again, I can't stress enough how much detail there is and not much flash. You have the rivet here. The barrel is composed by two halves, and again, no flash at all. which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, there's loads of small little parts, as you can see, on here, loads of small little parts, so a lot that can go wrong, but all in all, it's a fantastic little kit. So I'm assuming this will be a fairly quick build, and we have to get this. The only thing that I have to say is that there's no figures with it, and it would be lovely to have the figures. But on that note, keep an eye on the channel. This one will be making a way to the bench very soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so that you can get the notification when the video goes up. Thank you ever so much for watching, and see you guys around.